Question number first. The method of refuse disposal involving burial in trenches is called. Right option C. Composting. Question number 2. Which one of the following solid waste disposal method is ecologically most acceptable? Right option C. Composting. Question number 3. The Arabic method of composting as practiced in India called. Right option C. Indoor method. Question number 4. The sludge does not contain wastewater from. Right option D. Toilets. Question number 5. The term refuse generally does not include. Correct option B. Excreta.